Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with Clutch Group, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Clutch Group, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Contact Us section, typically located at the bottom of the home page. Click on the Contact Us link to be redirected to the communication options. You may find a contact form displayed on the page. Fill out the contact form with your relevant details, such as your name, email address, and message. Make sure to include specific information about your inquiry to help them respond effectively. If available, you might also see direct email addresses or phone numbers listed for immediate contact. Choose the method that best suits your needs, whether it's through the form, email, or phone. In addition, explore the About Us page for more insights into Clutch Group's mission and services. This understanding may assist you in tailoring your communication. For networking, check their social media profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook. Engaging with their content can provide further context and connection opportunities. If you have a specific project in mind, prepare a detailed proposal. Attach this proposal to your email or mention it in your message for clarity. Follow up if you do not receive a response within a week. A polite reminder can reiterate your interest and urgency. Remember to stay professional and concise throughout your communication. This approach will enhance your chances of a successful connection with Clutch Group. Keep track of any responses for future reference. Be patient, as they may need time to review inquiries based on their workload. Once connected, maintain a professional relationship to foster collaboration. This connection can lead to potential opportunities and mutual growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.